Wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth it, yes, it absolutely is. So many users have given it 5 stars. And after testing it, I see why. Seriously, don't miss it. Click the link in the description and thank me later. Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy good. So many people are talking about it because it actually delivers. Smooth performance, solid design, and it's super easy to use. Definitely worth checking out. Check it out through the link below. You'll see exactly why it's so popular. Before you skip, this might be the product you've been looking for. I wasn't sure at first, but after trying it, I get the hype. It's one of those products that just works. Efficient, clean, and well-reviewed everywhere. Want to see why everyone's obsessed with it? Links in the description. Go now! Okay, not gonna lie, this one's kinda crazy. Wait a sec. Before you scroll, check this out. If you're wondering whether it's worth it,